What's going on, everybody? So, today I want to talk about what makes it so hard to tell who's a scammer, who's not, who's just full of crap. Now, the first four channels I'm going to talk about, they have a really great following. And then the last two I'm going to talk about, they don't. So, what I mean is, everybody thinks that because people have a good following, or maybe they make, I'm going to say, pretty videos, they make them fancy, they edit them, spice them up, whatever. Um, but then there's people that don't have a following who will scam you as well. Now, I'm not saying everybody on this list is a scammer. I'm just warning you to watch out because these are the type of people and channels that people follow simply because they have a big following. The first one is Rose Credit Repair. Excuse me, I don't know if y'all remember her, the lady from Texas that made like $3 million. She was filing fake police reports. I think she got out of it because she's right back on YouTube, which blows my mind. And I think she's still even talking about credit repair. Um, but yeah, just be careful. And like you can see from the screenshot, she has a big following. And then the second one is Dave Cousins. Now, again, I'm not saying any of these people are scammers. Y'all just investigate yourself and you'll see what I mean. But as you can see from the screenshot, he has a really big following. And his favorite thing to talk about is freezing the snitches. He is probably the number one person on YouTube that I think he really does believe that freezing the secondary bureaus is going to help you remove negative information from your credit report. Well, I've already debunked this. It literally tells you on the secondary bureau websites that they can still see the information and verify it. You want to delete it from the credit report, not freeze it. The next one is the credit repair shop. Um, I don't know a whole lot about this guy. All I can tell you is he's got a big following, and I've had several people reach out to me and say they used him and he done absolutely nothing to fix their credit. Now, that doesn't always mean somebody's a scam. You got to understand, if they can prove they done the work and it just didn't work, they didn't scam you. It just simply didn't work. But that's the thing that most of these companies and people on YouTube can't do. They can't show you the work that they actually done. And the last one that has a big following, I'm pretty sure you've all heard of her. Ask Kristen, the lady that got in trouble for selling Social Security numbers. She is still on YouTube. Don't ask how that works. I don't know how people get away with this stuff, um, but somehow they do. So the next two are going to be the ones that I was telling you about that don't have a big following, but you got to be careful. So 60-day credit repair. When I say I've had a ton of people reach out to me and say this guy done absolutely nothing for them, it's crazy. Now, like I said a while ago, you got to be able to prove whether they actually scammed you or not. Because if they done the work and it simply didn't work, you didn't get scammed. It just didn't work. Could have been several reasons. Could have been the bureaus just didn't want to do their job. Could have been he's just not experienced and doesn't know what he's doing. And then last but not least, our favorite, old Andre Pinocchio. Uh, and I'm going to show another screenshot after this one with him talking about uh, fake boobs and TRT. I'm not really sure what fake boobs and TRT have to do with credit repair, but he is definitely obsessed with TRT. So I don't know. I just wanted to make this video to show y'all that just because somebody has a big following doesn't mean they're good. They can still scam you. And just because people have a small following doesn't mean that they're going to scam you. But obviously, the two I showed you, I've heard nothing but bad things about. So if y'all have any questions about this video, leave them in the comments. Hope y'all have a great day.